Welcome to the tutorial for using our Reddit comment scraper. This tool lets you collect public comments from specific Reddit posts, perfect for opinion mining, content analysis, or audience research. Step 1. Set post IDs or URLs. Paste one or more Reddit post URLs or IDs, each on a new line, or upload a CSV, TXT, or Excel file with your targets. Then, choose how comments should be sorted, by best, top, new, or controversial, and optionally set a minimum score to focus on more relevant discussions. Step 2. Final summary review your scraping setup. Post URLs or IDs, sort method, minimum score optional. Once everything looks good, click Start Scraping, and the system will begin collecting comments in real time. Your dataset will include post and comment text, author names and subreddit info, scores, reply depth, and award counts. Metadata like whether comments are locked, stickied, or archived. Plus, thread relationships and reply structure. Everything is neatly structured, ready for sentiment analysis, moderation research, or visualization. When done, your results are available to download in CSV, Excel, or JSON format. Red Rock Tech, data that works. From community threads to deep insights, we've got you covered.